Deusto's LLM in International Legal Studies includes a module on maritime law. The reason why maritime law is part of the program is because maritime shipping is really at the heart of international trade and commerce. A really good example of this is the incident with the mega vessel, the Ever Given, which was blocking the Suez Canal for 6 days. This is an example of how one major maritime incident can disrupt the global economy. What happened was there were cargo ships and bulk carriers and oil tankers on either side of the blocked vessel. And each of these was carrying important cargo to the other side of the canal, throughout the world actually. And suddenly, because of the delays, the price of fuel increased by 4 to 7%. Buyers had to cancel orders. Sellers were stuck with inventory that's still sitting on the ships. Disposable or perishable goods went bad and had to be thrown away. And manufacturers who were making cars, automobiles, and various things had to halt their operations while they waited for more goods to arrive. So this is really a fun case study because it involves so many doctrines of maritime law. One of them is the right in maritime law of a victim or a damaged person to arrest a vessel in order to secure payment. In this case, the Egyptian Suez Canal Authority has arrested the vessel and is detaining it, claiming that it has $1 billion of damages. Now there's been an appeal to that, and the Egyptian courts will determine whether the arrest was correct or not. The other ancient doctrine that is in play here is the doctrine of general average. And that means that cargo owners all contribute a proportional percent of their cargo and of the cost of the salvage of the vessel, which the cost is about $300 million. So, and then there's a limitation of liability proceeding, which the ship owner has filed in the London courts. And there's a convention called the Limitation of Liability for Maritime Claims that limits each claim to about $114 million, United States dollars. And again, this is unique to maritime law. We also have the Maritime Labor Convention that will come into play with respect to the crew that is now being detained aboard the vessel. And so the courts are going to be making some important decisions that are going to affect maritime law in the future. And this is going to be a very exciting case to study over the coming years.